Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 GMC Sierra All-Terrain Crew Cab 4-Wheel Drive, stock number Z8316A. 44,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Sierra brand new, Onyx black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Very clean inside and out. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. Along with rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Trailering package. Easy lift tailgate and spray and bed liner for protection, as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This all-terrain has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Pages, again only 44,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can also sync smartphones, Pandora, radio apps, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Lots of power outlets for all of your electronic devices. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. And dual glove boxes. Materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this here is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.